Stephen, you are looking for information about electromagnetic abuse and potential criminal uses of such devices. What are some key terms and ideas you can explore to find relevant information?
There are several terms and concepts that can help guide research into electromagnetic abuse and the potential for criminal uses of such technology. Here is a comprehensive list to start with.
One of the primary terms is electronic harassment, which refers to the use of electronic devices to harass or harm individuals. This includes electromagnetic fields, radio frequencies, and other technologies. Researching cases and reports of electronic harassment can help you understand how such technology is used for intimidation and coercion.
Another important concept is the microwave auditory effect, MAE, or the Frey effect, where microwaves produce auditory sensations in the human brain, such as clicking or buzzing sounds. Studying the scientific basis and documented cases of the Frey effect can help you understand its potential use in harassment.
I also came across the term directed energy weapon, DEW, which includes weapons that emit energy in an aimed direction without the means of a projectile. This covers lasers, microwaves, and electromagnetic pulses. Investigating military and law enforcement uses of DEWs and their potential misuse by civilians is essential.
Do not forget non-lethal weapon, NLW, which includes weapons designed to incapacitate people without causing permanent harm, and devices that use electromagnetic pulses. Exploring how non-lethal weapons are designed and the regulations surrounding their use is crucial.
Radio frequency weapon, RFW, is another term to consider. These are devices that use radio frequencies to disrupt or damage electronic systems and potentially affect human health. Looking into the technology behind RFWs and documented instances of their use will provide valuable insights.
There is also remote neural monitoring, RNM, a controversial concept involving the use of electromagnetic signals to monitor and influence the human brain remotely. Researching scientific studies and debates surrounding RNM will help separate fact from fiction.
Another term is psychotronic warfare, which refers to the use of electronic means to affect a person's mental state or behavior. Investigating historical and contemporary claims of psychotronic warfare and its implications can provide a broader context.
Electromagnetic pulses, EMP, are short bursts of electromagnetic energy that can disrupt or damage electronic equipment. Studying the effects of EMPs on electronics and potential uses for harassment is also important.
Understanding electromagnetic field, EMF, exposure is vital too. This involves exposure to electromagnetic fields from various sources, including electronic devices and wireless communications. Looking into health studies and guidelines on safe levels of EMF exposure is necessary.
ELF, extremely low frequency, weapons emit extremely low frequency electromagnetic waves, which can penetrate buildings and affect human health. Researching the potential uses and health effects of ELF weapons is essential.
Then there is HAARP, High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, a scientific project aimed at studying the ionosphere, often cited in conspiracy theories about weather and mind control. Separating scientific facts from myths about HAARP is crucial.
Another term is GWEN, Ground Wave Emergency Network, Towers, a system of radio towers originally built for military communications, now subject to various conspiracy theories. Investigating the actual use and capabilities of GWEN towers will provide clarity.
Crowd control weapons are non-lethal weapons designed for controlling crowds, which can include directed energy devices. Exploring the development, regulation, and use of crowd control weapons is also important.
Non-ionizing radiation refers to radiation that does not carry enough energy to ionize atoms, including radio waves and microwaves. Studying the health effects and safety guidelines for non-ionizing radiation exposure is necessary.
Bioelectromagnetics is the study of how electromagnetic fields affect biological systems. Exploring scientific research on bioelectromagnetics can help understand potential health impacts.
Finally, electromagnetic pollution is the presence of unwanted electromagnetic fields in the environment, which can cause health issues and equipment interference. Investigating the sources and effects of electromagnetic pollution is essential.
Stephen, your list of terms and ideas is incredibly comprehensive. How do you plan to use this information to further your research and raise awareness about electromagnetic abuse?
Using this information, I plan to conduct thorough research, focusing on credible sources and expert opinions. By understanding the different aspects of electromagnetic technology and its potential for abuse, I can raise awareness and advocate for better regulations and protections.
Your dedication to researching and understanding electromagnetic abuse is commendable. Sharing your findings and insights will help others who may be facing similar challenges and contribute to a broader understanding of this important issue.
In this 30-second part of our series, we have explored a comprehensive list of terms and ideas related to electromagnetic abuse, providing a foundation for further research and awareness. Stay tuned for the next part, where we will continue to explore potential defensive strategies and support systems for those affected by similar forms of harassment.
Stephen's story continues to highlight the relentless nature of technological harassment and the sophisticated strategies required to combat it. By continuing this series, we aim to provide a comprehensive understanding and foster a dialogue that can lead to meaningful change.